Hey guys, welcome back to Build Life. I'm Steve. Today we're going to work on the shipping container again. It is almost impossible to open and close these doors. We're going to heat these hinges up and see if we can get it to work better. So we're using MAP gas here. Heat's a little hotter than propane. We're going to heat this hinge as hot as we can get it. And then we're gonna cycle the door open and closed and see if it's soft enough that it will reshape the pin and the hinge itself so they work a little better. Well, that worked really well. It's still on fire. The torch is also good for killing wasps and poison ivy that was growing up the side of the container. We take care of that at the same time. But hey, this does work really well. This is a good hack. It works better probably than I thought. What do you think, George?
It did a lot.
Yeah, it worked really well. So if you guys want to see a video on how I made these latches easier, I'm going to put it right up here. You could watch that one next. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.